In this video, you will learn how to switch between scales and change the weight display to a higher resolution in a multi-scale setup. To start, the IND700 HMI may display as many as 5 display areas, including sum scale. In this example, the user has configured a display with 3 scale interfaces and a sum scale display. Before performing a weighment, it is important that the scales are at their 0 point. This can be performed by touching the 0 soft key icon on the terminal interface. Now, switch between scales using the soft keys or select that scale itself. Any scale can be selected for full screen display simply by double tapping on its display area. The higher res soft key is used to increase the selected weight display resolution by 1 additional digit. To indicate this increased resolution mode on screen, the weight display digits turn orange and an asterisk is shown at the end of the weight value.